Hello, you're right again. Right, so I've just installed the, I've done a lot of jobs today actually. We've obviously just gone over the screen protector. Now a few little points that I want to mention here is I'm not very impressed, to be honest. The actual cutout, the way that it's been cut, doesn't match up with the screen a lot in some places. And after squeegeeing out, there's the actual plastic squeegee thing has actually left marks in it already, which I think is just insane. It's just stupid. I get it, it's like 10 quid, but that's not the point. Whatever. The installation's easy enough, and what you will notice actually is there'll be like a cloudiness. There'll be a cloudiness to the screen, and you're trying to get this stuff out underneath it, leave it. Basically, the issue, what'll happen now is all of the water and the fairy liquid will literally just evaporate. So once you've got the majority of the bubbles out, even if you leave a few in there, you should come back the next day or the day after. What I've done is I've just left it, leave it overnight, and we'll come back tomorrow and we'll see what it's like. It'll do the job of protecting the screen, I'm sure, just from scratches and general bits of crap and stuff, but the way that it's cut out is not very good compared to the actual screen itself. There are bits where it touches the actual outside, and there's bits where there's about 2 mil of space, and it should be fairly even all the way around, so they need to do a better job with that, in my opinion. Here's the installation. If it is cloudy, leave it overnight, the stuff underneath will evaporate, and yeah, it should be okay. Let me know what you think. Thank you very much for watching again. I'll see you very, very soon, I'm sure, and until the next time, have a fantastic Christmas for the 8th time today. Happy New Year, because I don't know when this is going out. And yeah, I'll catch you again soon. Ta-ra, bye-bye. Just cooking me tea. But all you want, bit of water in it. Does say cold water. Shaky shake. All it is liquid, fairy liquid, I'm fairly sure. First things first, peel this old one out. Second things first, wipe. Pretty clean anyway, don't really need anything. Can be a pain in the fucking ass, this can. What you want to do, first of all, wet your hands and wet this, and then wet the back of it. This will all go away, so don't worry about that. Position it onto here like this, and there's a 2 mil gap either way, so you're not going to get it perfect. It is cut a little bit shoddily, to be honest, because you've got, look at that, that's not cut great here, and then that's not cut great over here and down there either, to be honest. But anyway, right, just going to squeegee out all the bubbles, squeegee out, and you'll notice squeezing out the sauce. Right, that should be a little bit better. Come on, there we go. I mean, look at that, it's miles off. I'm sure it'll do, but still. And then, once you think you've got everything, just get your normal rag, very, very lightly wipe over that, and just check to see where the bubbles are, if there are any, which there are still. I'd work them out with your microfiber now. Very lightly use this because you can scratch it. There you are. Now I've scratched it already up by using this, if you can see that. Not too impressed with that. Forgot about the burger, fucking hell. Oh Christ, right. Turn off. Well, it's just more of a meatball now.